Hi there, my name's Stuart Pitts. Today I'm here to introduce you to new mixed reality business applications for Microsoft Dynamics 365. But before I get into the details of these new applications, I'd like to share the role mixed reality can uniquely contribute as you look to modernize your business. As the world continues to evolve with the increasing role of digital, organizations everywhere are looking to adapt and evolve with this pace of change. We've observed and learned firsthand that business leaders like you are constantly looking for new ways to optimize operations, transform products, empower employees, and engage customers. This is an era where connecting customers, products, people, and data wins, where smarter is a core competitive advantage. Microsoft is uniquely positioned to transform organizations, bringing together company and customer, patient and provider, factory and field service, storefront and supply chain, without silos, without limits. Just customers, products, employees, and data more closely connected than ever before. This is our vision for Dynamics 365. Yet, as we look at the world around us, we also recognize that many employees need information and context to apply their knowledge and craft. These are first-line workers, employees who are often the first to engage customers, the first to represent a company's brand, and those who observe and service products in action. There are more than 2.5 billion of these workers on the planet, and many may exist within your own organization. Whether they service customers or products in the field, work in a manufacturing environment, or do any other kind of first-line work. Yet, even in a world largely transformed by technology, first-line workers haven't been provided the same gains from technology that many employees have benefited from. These employees need information in context of their real-world work, not just on a 2D screen, but information and data in their physical work environment, at the right place and at the right time, so they can produce even greater impact for their organizations. And if this doesn't happen, this can cost the organization time, dollars, and all kinds of efficiency. Mixed reality is uniquely positioned to solve this problem, to put information and data that employees need in the context of which they need it, so they can do what they do even better, enhancing the abilities that make them human, like creative problem solving, collaboration, and ingenuity. Microsoft has long been a participant in this new computing frontier of mixed reality. We've worked with organizations across industries to incubate mixed reality experiences that solve core operational, product, employee, and customer challenges. We've observed a core set of mixed reality use cases across industries which organizations are looking to leverage, like remote assistance, space planning, training, collaboration, and spatial analytics. All 5 of these scenarios represent a new kind of application organizations are looking to use to unlock the next set of opportunity across all aspects of their business. But there are challenges which have prevented mixed reality from becoming accessible to more organizations. Mixed reality experiences are often highly customized. This custom work is expensive and it's timely to create. It's hard to find expertise that's needed to build mixed reality solutions. Off-the-shelf options largely haven't been widely available. And few experiences allow employees to stay hands-on with their work, instead forcing them to grab hold of the technology and in turn decreasing their efficiency and costing the business money. That's what led us to create mixed reality business applications for Microsoft Dynamics 365. Off-the-shelf mixed reality applications for organizations everywhere who are looking to modernize their business. Applications that weren't built in a vacuum, but from real customer signal across many industries. Over the next few minutes, I'll introduce you to Dynamics 365 Remote Assist and Dynamics 365 Layout to help you understand how these applications, when paired with Microsoft HoloLens, can solve foundational problems within your organization. Microsoft Dynamics 365 Remote Assist empowers technicians to solve problems faster the first time. With heads-up, hands-free video calling on Microsoft HoloLens, technicians can collaborate with remote experts on a PC or on their phone to troubleshoot issues in context. There are 3 core areas of value that Remote Assist will bring to your organization. First, modernize field service with mixed reality. Enable on-site technicians to share what they see with remote experts while staying heads-up and hands-free with Remote Assist on HoloLens. With modern tools like mixed reality video calling, annotations, and file sharing, technicians and remote experts can work together to solve problems in context and in real time. Second, Employees can solve problems in minutes, not days. Troubleshoot complex problems faster the first time. Enable experts to assist technicians remotely so they can save time, reduce travel costs, and improve operational efficiency across the business. Third, connect with the best of Microsoft. With deep connections to Microsoft Teams, Azure Active Directory, OneDrive, Dynamics 365 for Field Service, and Power BI, Remote Assist integrates seamlessly with your existing Microsoft applications, so technicians can view assignments, call experts, and access work order data all in one secure solution. Remote Assist packs many capabilities. I've called out a handful that I think will be most useful for you and your organization, but there's much more here that I'd encourage you to dig into online or by contacting Microsoft. Here's what you need to get started. You'll need a HoloLens, the world's first fully untethered holographic computer. You'll need a license of Remote Assist, and you'll need an Office 365 license, including Microsoft Teams. To take full advantage of the capabilities I showcased earlier, like integration with Dynamics 365 for Field Service or Power BI, you'll need those as well. That brings us to a second new mixed reality application. Microsoft Dynamics 365 Layout empowers employees to bring physical designs from concept to completion with confidence. Insert 3D models to experience room layouts as holograms in the physical world or in virtual reality. Layout makes it possible to share your vision with stakeholders and easily edit layouts in real-world scale, so you can make better decisions before you build. There are 3 core areas of value that Layout will bring to your organization. First, experience room layouts in real-world scale. Visualize layouts with holograms in the physical world or in virtual reality. Easily import floor plans from Microsoft Visio and 3D models from other applications to experience designs at scale and in context. Second, easily edit physical designs. Walk through proposed layouts in the physical space or in virtual reality to make changes in real time. Simply move, resize, or rotate 3D models to edit your layout on the spot. And third, move from concept to completion with confidence. Review designs with stakeholders using mixed reality video calling. Share your vision and context to make better decisions, so you can move from concept to completion faster and with fewer costs. And with the Dynamics 365 import tool, you can quickly and easily prepare 3D models offline or in the cloud for high-quality visualization on Microsoft HoloLens or on Windows Mixed Reality immersive headsets. Like Remote Assist, Layout packs many capabilities. Again, I've called out a few that I think will be most useful for you and your organization, but there's so much more to dig into here. Here's what you'll need to get started. You'll need a Microsoft HoloLens or a Windows Mixed Reality immersive headset. You'll need a license of Layout, and you'll need an Azure Active Directory account. To take full advantage of the capabilities I showcased earlier, like integration with Microsoft Visio, Dynamics 365 Remote Assist, and Microsoft Teams, you'll need those as well. Now you'll notice that throughout this video, each application was showcased on Microsoft HoloLens. That's because HoloLens is the best mixed reality device for business. The Microsoft HoloLens Commercial Suite includes specific capabilities tailored for use in organizations like yours, like added features for enterprise security and device management, even a warranty. Mixed reality business applications from Microsoft Dynamics 365 are designed to work seamlessly with HoloLens from the ground up. Now what's next? Here are a variety of resources you can use to learn, purchase, and deploy mixed reality solutions from Microsoft. We hope you love these. We hope you want to use these. These products represent a completely new way for you and your organization to unlock the next set of transformation for your customers, operations, products, and employees. This isn't the future. It's here and now, and we're really excited to see the change that you spark with these new tools. Thank you.